know say when me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to KeneishaSays. Come here raggedy from yesterday with the beach, but we're still going to another beach. Today we're going to Dunn's River actually with the whole family once again. I know my hair is looking crazy, but we're going into the water, so I'm not even going to do anything with it right now. So yeah, everybody's coming down. Ready to come load up, and we're going to Dunn's River. We're going to take you to Dunn's River, Ocho Rios today. Okay. If you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe, like this video, comment down in the comment section, and yeah, just tell a friend, still a friend. Okay. It's another Jamaica video. Yeah. Let's go again. We're finally here. The white girl came out. Oh, my body. Oh, Jesus, please. The gang is here. Oh, the gang is here too.
Your ears are battered.
Alright. This time you can manage it.
First, come on. Oh, that'll come look at ragamuffin. That's right, Duns River.
So I can steal them.
Why didn't you buy buckets so you can steal them?
Yeah.
I didn't think about it.
You did it?
Yeah, man,
Hey!
Did it see?
How was the fall? You almost jumped?
Bro.
Oh!
Are you making sandcastles?
Where's France?
They're slow walkers.
You guys enjoyed it? You guys enjoyed it?
Yes. We only went out halfway though.
Huh?
We only went
Oh, halfway?
Okay, so what we got?
We could have went
Take
more.
some dry sand and put it on top. Her nail came up.
I have the glue.
Come wash it and put
Wash
it
it
in
up
your
and put it down.
Come wash it and put it in your bag.
At least you got it immediately.
What an agree me, no? Come castle.
DJ, you have to come up closer because you see it coming further and further. Come here, so you said, look, come here. Come here, so you said the wave will come on. Watch out, somebody laugh off fire when the wave come back and watch going on. I told you. So if you come up more. It's too wet, you have to get some dry one. Make sure it has a two little baby. Wait, you didn't learn a lesson? You want to make another one come off? You want to make another one come off? Get something to scrape it with, like a rock or something.
I don't know where she gonna get that from.
Off of the sand. You want it up here. Use the scraping. Okay, first one is up. Let's say the one.
Still, man.
Sorry.
You gotta make the base. So we'll make a circular base and then we'll go up.
The wave came up unexpectedly and it got all.
Wash off your face.
Let's try it.
I'm not trying to find. You ever feel like you ever should put it on? I'm trying to find. Concrete?
Yeah. You don't see it? Look on it.
Creative.
Go ahead, please.
Yeah, fit content.
Who's gonna title it? I built a sandcastle.
Exactly.
No, we might have to go further up. She was right. Like up here. Probably.
Say it again. Say it again.
Alright, so let's restart. Up here. Oh, what?
what you call a travel house.
Now I gotta restart for real. I think I watched that.
Look at that ship, that boat. I didn't see that yesterday. Woo! Police. It was the fire. What's the vision here?
I need a
Catch monster, catch monster.
Right now we're trying to get wet between it so it's like stable, and then we're gonna flatten it out so we can go on top. Yes, I wanna make this side. I'm gonna park this side.
We change?
No, we're not. The water come up more, so if it makes
It was nice.
Was your idea? Okay, construction worker.
now we gotta get the water out.
Now we gotta get the water out.
So do this.
Let's go.
They gonna sit like that,
Oh,
so?
see that? Okay.
So dig that so it come out.
Oh, yeah. We gotta make a little path to the ocean again. Now we gotta make a path to the ocean. Oh, yeah.
We'll come back down now.
There we go. You see that? So they can go right down to the pasta. Help.
Oh, now you want to help her?
She just stand back.
And I was protecting the water.
But you're a task.
Yes, we were like, tell you want to help us get a sandcastle? She's like, no.
Because I was eating. I was
Oh, steers and everything. Okay.
The leaf.
The flag? The Jamaica flag?
Yeah. We made a little barrier.
This is the front door. This is the back door.
Okay.
Yeah. Some windows, a leaf.
I cannot. Sorry. You guys outdid yourself. And then you have this is like a bridge now.
We take a lot of work and we made a little barrier. So now,
Great job.
what we gotta do now?
Great job.
Now what we gotta do now is go half left.
You're not supposed to say come on again.
Yeah, man, I know. I ain't gonna jump in it.
Look at the pelican. Right there. Careful.
Say, come here, say what me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.